welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's world. Merry Christmas to everyone. I hope you guys are enjoying this holiday season. I'm hoping also that you all got everything you were looking for Christmas. Go ahead, enjoy family and friends, eat well, but most of all, make sure you get your relax on this holiday season. All right, the videos must continue, people, so bear with me and enjoy. All right, but this one is coming from LLooke. LLooke got down on this one. I'm giving LLooke 4 thumbs up in the door for the design of this watch face. I thought he really lit this one up. Now, the name of this watch face is called LLooke 20 Blue. Now, in AOD mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look as if the watch face is on. It's going to be dimmed down quite a bit. You'll be able to see your digital time at a glance with no problem. Now, as we look at the watch face when it's on, if you look at the top, I like this information on the moon phase, and you can see possible moon phases that could possibly come. I thought that was a nice look, but yet different. Now, you will get your date. You are going to get the days of the week as well. It's going to be highlighted in red to let you know exactly what day of the week is going to be. It's going to have a nice legible digital time. But what I really like about this watch face is that right here, you get all your step status information in one place. It's not all over the place. You can look to the right and you can see everything you need to see. This one is especially good for the runner. Now, you are going to get animated seconds, you're going to get your battery info, you're going to get a PM stamp as well. And if I double tap right here, I can change the index color of this watch face to a few different colors in all. I thought this was definitely a good look and a nice added bonus. Also, if I double tap in the middle of the time, I could change the theme of this watch face, and I thought this one here took it over the top. As you continue to look, it changes the theme a little bit along also for your goal completed, so far your steps, and your battery information as well. So I thought LLooke did an excellent job on his watch face. LLooke, continue to do what you do, my friend. You got down on this one, and it is inactive. So if I tap right here, I can get my step status info. And if I tap right here on the date, I can pull up my calendar. Also, you can get your messages right here, you got your music right there. You single tap, and it should take you right into it. Also, you can make a phone call and get your weather as well. This is definitely a good look coming from LLooke. LLooke, 4 thumbs up, well worth it. All right, you all, continue to enjoy your holiday. Hit the like button on the way out. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.